How to make money at 24. At any point in your life, you would have probably heard someone saying that they don't care about money or money is not important. It could also be you who said it, but at the end of the day, it is an evident reality that money is important, probably the most important thing. Money can't buy happiness, but it can surely buy security and safety for you and your dear ones. Human beings need money to pay all the things that their life can be possible, such as shelter, food, healthcare, bills, and a good education. Because money is necessary for obtaining the goods and services you need to survive, one needs to know how to earn it. So today, I will tell you about the best 5 methods to earn money at 24. You will also get a bonus tip at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Before we get started, please subscribe to my technical solution and like and share the video. Your appreciation keeps me going. Number 1. Become an Uber driver and start earning. Working as a driver for Uber can be fun, but it is also not a job for kids. Uber has reported that its drivers can earn $55,000 per year. Along with the cab fare, Uber drivers are also eligible to earn tips from their customers. Upon the end of a trip, a rider can choose from a few present tips amount within the app or enter a custom amount they feel is more appropriate. Uber does not charge any fee on tipping. Did you know Uber drivers can also earn money by performing deliveries such as Uber Eats? Like Uber rideshare drivers, Uber calculates the pay for Uber delivery services by adding up a few things according to their rules. Like rideshare drivers, Uber Eats delivery drivers can also receive tips from their customers. Uber does not apply a service charge to tips, so drivers can keep 100% of the tip they earn. The good thing here is that Uber also reimburses drivers for cancelled orders, so they are paid for at least limited protection from flaky users who cancel a delivery request after they initiate a delivery request. So if you know how to drive and also want to make money, what are you waiting for? Number 2. Get into copywriting. If you are good at marketing or pursuing people, try copywriting. Day-to-day copywriting are given tasks about writing clear and concise copy for ads, marketing material, and website. It can be very virtual for audience and any industry. Even an average copywriter earns up to $62,000 yearly. Copywriting can provide more than enough income to meet your expenditures goals, and especially if you are a freelance copywriter, it's fearless to pick up a bit of extra work when you need. In earning 6 figures in dollars per year is your goal, and it is very possible through copywriting. All you need to do is take best free courses available in copywriting on YouTube, Udemy, and Coursera to polish your skills and start your copywriting journey. Do you need what the most exciting thing about copywriting is? Copywriters also receive royalties for their work. In direct response copywriting, some companies will pay you a percentage of the total sales generated by a sale letter or promotion you wrote, and this royalty is in addition to the fee you earned to originally write the promotion. So quickly grab the laptop and dive into the world of copywriting to make the money you want. Number 3. Are you an artistic soul? Design and sell. If you love art and design, go ahead and make some good cash with it. Shop owners across Etsy offer digital download in their shops who sell everything from sewing patterns to party printables to beautifully designed resume templates. Offering digital downloads is one way you can add more products to your shop and test your creativity. These things about digital designing and selling let you earn an Etsy shop without having to worry about headaches like delivery. Although no special skills are required to list a digital download on Etsy, all you need is a good working knowledge of design programs like Adobe Illustrator. It will make creating files easier. Remember that a big part of running a business on Etsy is discovering and modifying your shop and products over time. You don't have to wait to have hundreds of designs to open your shop. Just list a few designs, see what your customers respond to, and then make more of whatever category is selling well. Digital designer sellers are making up to $50,000 per year. So if you have to knack for designing, go ahead and make some good bucks. Number 4. Earn money by doing transcription. What is transcription exactly? Transcription is the skill of listening to speech and converting them into written document. Transcription writers listen to audio and convert them into MS Word or WordPerfect documents. They understand how to handle inaudible audio and do the diligence required in researching proper names and nouns. It allows discussion and events to be searched for key terms. Also, reading through a document is much quicker than listening through the entire audio. Poor quality audios can also be quite stressful to understand and challenging to listen through, but reading a well-written document is a breeze. That's what transcript writers help with. Did you know that transcripts are required by many professionals, including doctors, those in the legal field, radio programs, or speech and lectures? This is because of their need to have a certified written copy of the spoken event available for reference. Podcasters now choose to publish transcripts for their content online because the written words can be found by search engines and also be easily quoted on blogs and websites. Closed captioning and subtitling are other forms of transcribing you must be familiar with. Transcribers earn up to $100,000 per year. So if you have a good hearing and language skills, you can try transcribing in English or even your native language. All you need to do is to get started and watch some tutorials and practice. What are you waiting for? Number 5. Start tutoring. Tutoring is a well-known way to make some good money. If you are in college or university, even if you have graduated, or you can make some bucks by tutoring your juniors and helping them with their studies. There's no experience required. All you need to do is to be good at the subjects you want to teach. If you don't want to get into traditional tutoring, I have good news for you. You can try online tutoring, which allows you to have flexible hours of your choice, allowing you to get the experience of teaching people from all around the world instead of just your area. There are many online platforms where you can do freelancing, tutor as on many subjects as you want. Here are the top tutoring websites: Preply, Schooly, Amazing Talker, TeacherOn.com, StudyPool. So, these were the best ways to make money at 24. While you can effectively make money with these best methods, the best thing you can do at your age is do investing. Investing can provide you with another source of income, fund your luxuries, or even get you out of financial jam. Above all, investing grows your fortune, helping you meet your financial objectives and increasing your purchasing ability over time. You can invest in real estate, mutual funds, corporate bonds, index funds, stocks, cryptocurrency, gold, and other things. That's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Have you any questions? Comment down below and let's have a chat, because I love to talk to you guys. I'll see you in the next video with more information and exciting video on how to make money. Thanks for watching.